Hello, and welcome to Pointpress, branding for Microsoft SharePoint and SharePoint Online. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pointpress to support departments within your enterprise. You'll be able to create new tabs that represent departments and control the main department image. Your users will be able to easily navigate from one department's content to another. You can do all this work from your browser. You won't need SharePoint Designer to do this. So let's get started. You're usually going to want departments to have some control over their content, but the department works within a larger enterprise structure. In SharePoint, the best way to do that is to create one SharePoint subsite for each department. So let's go ahead and create a subsite. We'll call it Human Resources, but of course you name it to match your department name. First, start here at your enterprise's home page. Notice that there's only one menu item here called Home. We haven't set up any departments yet. Let's toggle the SharePoint ribbon by locating the hand here, clicking on it, and we see the SharePoint ribbon appears. Now, Site Actions, Site Settings, Look and Feel, Navigation. We want to set global navigation up so that it shows all subsites. This will allow us to be able to see every department name from the enterprise homepage. So let's turn this on. Show subsites, OK. Now, Site Actions, Manage Content and Structure. This is what we'll use to create our new department subsite. Go to the Home, find the down arrow, and under New, click on Site. We'll set the title to Human Resources. And we'll set its website address URL name to the same. But we'll use a dash instead of a space. Let's set it up to be a publishing site. This will make it look like the home page of the department, like this. Now, in Navigation Inheritance, let's set it up so it will use the top link bar from the parent site. We want people that are navigating to the department's landing page to be able to see the same global navigation that every user sees, no matter which department they're in. This is important in order to keep your users from getting lost. So press Create. Now we'll navigate to the home page. One way to do this is to go to Home, Site Settings, and then this Home will be clickable. We refresh the page once, and we see that our newly created department, Human Resources, now appears in our menu bar. And now we want to make sure that we see the same menu in the Human Resources area. So we click on it. We see that there's a new subsite, Human Resources, and that the same global navigation bar is here. You can do this procedure over and over again to create a new menu item for every department. But one word of caution. If there are more than around 7 departments, the menu bar will become overly crowded. If that's the case, you may want to think of another way to aggregate all of your menus, perhaps by lines of business rather than department. In our next video, I'll show you how to change the department's graphic located here so that every department has its own graphic. But for now, you should know how to be able to create new subsites for every department in your enterprise.